Gare lyone taenda. Natuluwa Okwana Hotel Management. Eto.
The flag bearer of Kole district as a woman MP. Now I'm here because of the tragedy that really happened in Lango sub-region. We lost our minister, our brother, our member of parliament representing Oyam North. We are here because our fellow flag bearer, Junior, is already campaigning to replace the father who was killed mercilessly. So we want him in parliament. I'm here because I'm supporting my party. I'm here because I want him in parliament. I'm here because I want development in Lango. I'm here because we support the government. So I'm here to give full support to
our campaigns have been peaceful, without any violence. Just we have strictly adhered to the campaign program, just like we harmonized it in the Electoral Commission. At the moment we are pleading with our electorates that they should keep calm and keep peaceful, because it is paramount that peace is the driving factor of this election. The person we seek to replace fought for the peace of northern Uganda. So once we come into this election and riddle it with a lot of violence and excitement, it will become bad. And things are bound to go out of hand. So basically I'm pleading for calm. Kyabuzange kyendanga nakalondebwa. Ekintu ekisinze okuba ekyomulamwa ennyo ge masanyalazi. Amasanyalazi ntabadde ebyalo byonna nga bagamba amasanyalazi bagalaba naye tebafunye connection. Kwegamba tebasobola kukwasa ku bintu by'emirimu gye balina, kubanga okwegamba ng'okuweldinga enzigi, okukola biki balina okutambula ne bagenda erira, oba abaliraanye eggulu okudda eggulu. So tekibadde kyangu. So tusuubira okutandikira ku masanyalazi, tusuubira okuzzaako project yebigezo kubanga tulina okukolamu sample, tulina okukolamu ka pilot project ku masomero nga 8 primary schools in the amasomero 8 mu constituency ge tugenda okutandikako okukola pilot project. Tubawe ebigezo mu weekly tests, monthly tests, and then examinations. Tulabe how they cope up. If we can beat the target next year's PLE results, tujja kuba kituwa direction gye tulina okudda.